guys, welcome to another video. So this one's all about the K11 Nissan Micra that Ben used to have. Hope you enjoy it, and stick around to the end and I'll answer some questions that you might have. Hi guys, Alex, M-oneeleven. Right, so this part of the video is for you guys that stuck around and are genuinely interested. And if you are interested, please like and subscribe. We do and have done a lot of projects. We want to share them with you guys, but we also need support to be able to do new projects and make this worth it. So let's get into it. So the car was a CG10DE K11 Nissan Micra. It was on a CVT automatic transmission. Two reasons for this. Ben's only licensed to drive automatics, and here in the UK you have two car licenses, so like if you pass your test in an automatic, you're only licensed to drive automatics. If you pass your test in a manual or stick shift, you can drive both. The other reason is the automatic comes with a block girdle. For those of you that don't know what that is, it's a plate of metal with some cutouts in it that bolts onto the sump side of the crank and provides extra support and strength to the block against rotating vibrations or vibrations from the rotating assembly. The car itself was a really simple project. It was great fun to do, with great results for what it was. So it started out with a GT28 eBay turbo, which in the end ended up getting changed out for a Saab GT15, I believe it was, just for picking up the responsiveness and boost on the low end. As you can imagine, a GT28 is a massive turbo for a 1000cc engine. So we ran it on a Speeduino ECU, which is a DIY ECU that you can buy off eBay for, the last time I saw it, around 140 for a do-it-yourself kit. They come in two forms. You can buy them pre-assembled, or you can do it yourself. And in this one, Ben chose to do it himself. So it ran on that ECU, which is what you saw us tuning in the video. Very simple ECU, very cheap. So it was a really cost-effective project. A lot of stuff on this project was either recycled or very cheap to buy in the first place new. So the intercooler was off a BMW 1 Series. The exhaust was custom made by Ben himself. We've always tried to do any tuning in-house. We've never actually taken any of our vehicles to a tuning shop and to have them properly tuned. Ben just sort of taught himself how to do it, starting with this car actually, and he's since progressed to being able to do things like our Mercedes, my CLK, his SLK. He's figured out how to remap them as well. The exhaust manifold was a log manifold to start with, which it was a pretty primitive design. It was then changed out for a SR20 DET exhaust manifold, so a tubular one this time instead of a log style one, but we found that was actually more laggy, which is typically the case because there's a bit more distance for the gases to flow, obviously. And I can't remember the suspension setup on the car, it was so long ago. But if any of you guys want to do this, if you want to turbo a Nissan Micra, it is one of the easiest cars you can start with. We had a lot of fun doing it, and we had a lot more fun driving it. Unfortunately, it didn't last as long as it should have done because the belt in the CVT transmission overheated. Contrary to what I was telling him, I told him to put a transmission cooler on it, but we never got round to that, and we towed my C230K turbo swap car with it when we took it out on one of the first runs, and a few days after that the transmission actually gave up because we'd towed a car that was almost twice the weight of that car with it, and that was the end of that, unfortunately. But I hope this helps for any of you wanting to do this. I hope you've enjoyed the video and I've not been too boring this time. Like I said, like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.